CHZ essentially faces obstruction at 20 cents in an especially enormous manner. CHZ fundamentally acquired roughly 0.39% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. CHZ, USD pair exchanging underneath EMA, which basically is genuinely critical. Chiliz pick up bullish speed over the very past week acquiring 0.08%, showing how Chiliz pick up bullish speed over the previous week acquiring 0.08%, which most certainly is very huge. The 4th of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues. What in a real sense is especially momentary cost expectation for Chiliz. All things considered, is CHZ a truly wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Chiliz support and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,49802,649,559, or so they generally thought. The extremely complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $19,987,677,932, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which really is genuinely huge, which brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, showing how CHZ in a real sense acquired roughly 0.39% inside the most recent 24 hours, which really is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33%. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time span, which generally shows that while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $306.13, following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period in a by and large huge manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 3.45 and right now exchanging at 54 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally shows that market examination over the last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,149,802,649,559, or so they sort of thought. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market especially is going in an essentially descending course for truly transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a by and large broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Truly further appearance how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the CHZ specialized investigation. By and large let us basically discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they generally thought. Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers generally become in every way that really matters, all the more truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13, following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period, which sort of shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13, following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period in a quite large manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants generally become move kind of dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which fundamentally is very huge. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz basically is at 10 cents, up 0.39% in the beyond 24 hours and explicitly has a value change of 0.08% throughout the week, which is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 22,020,079.00 US dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $712,917,056 USD, showing how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 3.45 and as of now exchanging at 54 cents in a genuinely significant manner. There generally are practically 7,647,158 explicitly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which really is very huge. Chiliz Value Investigation CHC Cost Examination for the 4th of June 2023 inside an especially everyday time period in a real sense made sense of beneath, showing how Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially is very huge. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving genuinely normal and remarkable moving genuinely normal to basically investigate the future development of the Chiliz. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 22,020,079.00 US dollars, while fundamentally complete market cap came to $712,917,056 USD, showing how XRP, the very local coin of XRP, basically is up by 3.45 and right now exchanging at 54 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The especially relative strength record for CHC coin truly is at present floating at 28 for 14 days genuinely normal line, which especially implies CHC certainly is an oversold zone and a pattern by and large inversion explicitly is conceivable, showing the way that there truly are practically 7,647,158 in a real sense are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The Chiliz basically has generally break all it certainly upholds levels, and things in a real sense are not looking excellent for the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, essentially bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively in a real sense take CHC cost beneath the vital help level of 17 cents, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The CHC USD moving in every practical sense, normal combination and difference marker in every practical sense, is demonstrating a present moment in every way that really matters. Sell fundamentally signal as the MACD line truly is moving beneath truly signal line, which truly implies basically bears truly are ruling on the lookout, which most certainly shows that right now, truly bears basically are in charge of the market and effectively in every way that really matters. Take CHC cost underneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, which essentially is genuinely critical, while CHC's Williams % R pointer in every practical sense is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign in every way that really matters is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which in every practical sense shows that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, for the most part is up by 3.45 and right now exchanging at 54 cents, which generally is very huge, and Chiliz market explicitly gives a bullish indications. And bulls can